Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to update your optional details like gender and date of birth on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see as soon as I log in on this REDnote app, over here you can find this interface. Here you can see here is choose your gender and age. Now to select your age over here, you can see here is swipe to select. You can just select your age by swiping this up and down. Now I'll select my age as 20 years and also I'll choose my gender as male. I'll just tap on this male and after this just tap on this next. And over here you can see here is interest. Now to fill up this, select the one you are interested to see videos on. Now I'll go with fitness, cartooning, art, funny, and also I'll go with this animals. And after that just tap on this start exploring. And that's it. Over here you can see I have successfully logged in by updating my details on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.